Hello students, let us see the another problem on this centroid. So just observe this is a somewhat different problem. So you just need to find out the centroid of a shaded area here. So you can observe here whatever the shaded area is given, it is not an exactly the known geometrical shape. Clear? The known geometrical shape means it may be the rectangle, it may be the semicircle, circle, quarter circle, like that. But it is not exactly the known geometrical shape, so that you have to divide the given figure into the known geometrical shapes. So you can observe here whatever the dotted line indicates. So this is the extension of the given geometrical figure. So this dotted line indicates you have divided the number of known geometrical shapes whatever the given figure. So that is the shape 1 indicates the rectangle or a square of size 30 mm by 30 mm. So this is the 30 mm is nothing but the radius of a quarter circle. The if it is 30 mm, this is also the 30 mm, that is the radius is same for a circle, for the entire circle. So that we are having the geometrical figure 1 indicates the rectangle, geometrical figure 2 indicates the shaded quarter circle, and geometrical figure 3 indicates the hollow quarter circle. So by considering the centroid of these different geometrical figures, you need to find out the what is the centroid of entire shaded area. First, you have to consider this rectangle. The rectangle is there which is having the size of 30 mm by 30 mm. The size of the rectangle is 30 mm by 30 mm. And we know that the centroidal value of a rectangle is nothing but b by 2, and y bar is equal to d by 2 is nothing but, so x bar is nothing but this distance, that is this is x bar, and y bar is nothing but this distance, that is what y bar here. So here you just observe the x bar, whatever the value you are having, that is the negative sign. So why? Because this is whatever the x bar you are measuring, this is the left side of the y axis. So while explaining the steps to be considered to solve the centroidal problem, I have explained you. So if the centroidal value is left side of the y axis, then the value is negative. Therefore, it is minus 30 by 2. Clear? So after that you have to calculate the remaining ax and ay, it is similar. Is it clear why it is negative? It is left side of the y-axis, therefore it is minus 30 divided by 2. Clear? So this is what the centroid of a first geometrical figure, that is what the rectangle. So next we will move for the centroid of a second geometrical figure. So second geometrical figure is what? This one, quarter circle. So the second geometrical figure is this quarter circle is the second geometrical figure here. So now just consider this quarter circle. You know the area of the quarter circle is what? 4r divide that is pi r square divided by of a quarter circle here. So r is nothing but 30 mm that you have considered. So next, x bar and y bar. The for this quarter circle with respect to the reference x and y axis. Here reference x and y axis are these one. This is reference y axis. This is reference x axis. So for the quarter circle, x bar distance is here to here, and y bar distance is nothing but here to here. That is x bar parallel, x axis parallel, x bar distance, y axis parallel, y bar distance. So you know the formula for a quarter circle, both x bar and y bar are 4r divided by 3 pi. 4r divided by 3 pi is the x bar and y bar value. So this is a printing mistake, 10 is there, it is not 10 exactly. If it is 30, you just make it correction, that is 4r divided by 3 pi is the formula for the quarter circle. Then ax and ay, as usual you have to calculate the value of ax and ay here. So now we will move for the third geometrical shape. That is third geometrical shape is what? It is very important, that is hollow quarter circle here. You can observe. So third geometrical shape is nothing but what? This one. So this, the whatever the yellow shade is there, this is nothing but the third geometrical shape what we have considered here. So now we have what is the x bar and y bar value of this third geometrical shape with respect to the given reference axis, you need to find out here. So you just observe, so whatever the x bar value we are having for the quarter circle is nothing but from here to here. You can observe in the whatever the tabular column is there for the centroidal formula. From here to here is your x bar, and here to here is your y bar as per the formula. Clear? So whatever the 4r by 3 pi is there, just I will show here. So if it is a quarter circle like this, so from the reference axis, this distance is x bar, this distance is y bar. But here whatever the quarter circle is there, it is reverse. Clear? Therefore from here to here, whatever the green line, this is x bar and this is y bar here. But we want with respect to what? Reference axis. Clear? We want the x bar and y bar distances with respect to the reference axis we want. So as usual, you have to calculate the area of the quarter circle here. So that is area of the quarter circle, that is pi r square divided by 4 here. Why it is negative? Because it is a hollow area. You have to deduct this one, therefore it is negative. So now the x bar and y bar value, just I will explain you clearly. So x bar is here what? So since you are measuring, x bar is nothing but this distance we want. Clear? This is x bar value and this is y bar value of this quarter circle. This is x bar, red line indicates this is x bar and this is y bar. This we need. But as per the formula, that is 4r divided, but from where to where? So from this, that is from corner or a center of the circle, this is 4r divided by 3 pi, that is 4r divided by 3 pi, green line, and this line is from here to here, the distance is 4r divided by 3 pi. But whatever the red mark I have marked, we want that distance. Just observe this x bar here. X bar, it is negative, we have considered. Why it is negative? You are measuring left side of the y-axis, therefore it is negative, that is minus. So into bracket, what we want? We want this distance, x bar. Red line is our x bar. The total is 30. Therefore 30, that is 30 minus the green line, that is here to here distance, 30 minus 4r divided by 3 pi. Clear? What is that? Is what the x bar here. 30 minus 4r divided by 3 pi. You just observe whatever the mark I have done, x bar and y bar value. We want these x bar and these y bar here, these x bar and these y bar here. Therefore total is 30. In that 30, you have to deduct this green line, you will get the x bar value. Negative sign is forward, you are measuring x bar, left side of the y-axis, therefore it is negative. So then y bar distance you need to calculate here. So now the y bar is what? So y bar is nothing but this is what the red line indicates. This red line is what your y bar. This is y bar. So whatever the 4r by 3 pi value is there, so that 4r by 3 pi distance is from here to here. So if you get confused, you just observe the whatever the tabular column is there, that is for formula. So that is from the center, 4r by 3 pi is the formula. So y bar is also total 30 is there. Therefore it is 30 minus 4r divided by 3 pi. That is 30 is the total distance. So whatever the green line, it is nothing but minus 4r divided by 3 pi is your value. So this is what the y bar value. So this is what the centroid of this inverted quarter circle. Is it clear? The quarter circle, whatever the formula, it is same, but it is with respect to the center of a quarter circle. We want with respect to the reference axis. Therefore, these notations, that is 30 minus, has been considered. So after that, AX and AY calculation is similar. Calculate the summation of area and summation of AX and summation of AY. After that, substitute in the x bar and y bar formula. So then you will get the values. So these values are the centroid of a entire geometrical figure, that is what the shaded area. So this is what somewhat different problem. So just observe this problem. Just try to solve this problem. So if you're having any doubts, you feel free to contact me. So you don't get confused here. You can observe here only. This is what the inverted quarter circle is there. So this is what the regular quarter circle is there. Clear? So whatever the x bar value is there, from here to here is nothing but, so from center of the, with respect to the center of a quarter circle, the x bar and value, this is x bar and this is y bar value. Clear? Here with respect to this is becomes the center of the quarter circle, this is x bar and this is y bar here. But we want with respect to the reference axis, this is what y axis reference, this is x axis reference. Therefore we have considered this distance, that is green line, this distance as well as this distance. Therefore we have deducted in the total distance 30 minus x bar, 30 minus y bar value. Try to solve this problem. If you having any doubts, you just feel free to contact me. Thank you.